Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix all the problems with apps not working, crashing or not opening on your Samsung Smart TV. So, if you're experiencing these issues, keep watching. The first step is to make sure your TV software is up to date. Sometimes outdated software can cause apps to malfunction. Grab your remote and press the home button, navigate to settings, then scroll down to support. Select software update and click update now. If there's an update available, install it and let your TV restart. Next, let's check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause apps to crash or not load properly. Press the home button, go to settings, then network and select a network status. Ensure your TV is connected to the network. If there's an issue, try restarting your router or connecting to a different network. If the issue persists, try reinstalling the problematic app. Go to Apps, select Settings, which looks like gear icon. Find the app that's causing issues and select Delete. After it's deleted, go back to the Apps section, search for the app and reinstall it. Reinstalling the app can often fix any corrupted files or settings. If none of the previous steps worked, try resetting the Smart Hub. Go to Settings, then Support and select Self-Diagnosis. Choose Reset Smart Hub. You may need to enter your PIN, which is usually 0000 by default. Resetting the Smart Hub will remove all apps and settings, so you need to set it up again, but it can often fix persistent issues. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset. And that's it. Hopefully one of these solutions helped you fix the issues with your Samsung Smart TV apps. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.